great opportunity to network and meet like-minded people and to be connected to all of the people that are involved in this every day. There's not as many resources in precision ag and autonomy as I'd love there to be, so it's great coming to these and being able to find those people and call them down the track when you need help.
I think when you get to come to any agricultural field day, I think it's always good to meet other growers. I think that's the biggest thing that I usually get out of it. Obviously, you've got all the content and everything you get through the day, but getting to meet the growers, getting your hands dirty is probably the best thing I find.
Getting to listen to people who have experience in different solutions. We're all trying to achieve the same goal by growing the most profitable crop, so being able to listen to people, there's that many different ways of doing it.
Learning from like-minded farmers, getting to step on farms outside your area, and for us learning about technology and autonomous vehicles has been a real highlight.
You need something to bring people together, and then just the interaction you have. So the most innovative people in the room generally are doing something. You just got to rub shoulders with them, find out what they're doing, and just inspires you to do more yourself.